Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Laravel on your local system. We will install Laravel in our system with two methods. To install Laravel, we need first Composer should be installed in your system. If you don't know what is Composer, then please follow my previous video in which I have already explained how to install Composer in your system. Link is given in the description and you can check out. So let us start. So open the folder where you have installed your server XAMPP or WAMP. I have installed XAMPP in my C drive. So let us go to XAMPP folder and htdocs. Now open the command prompt. To install the Laravel via Composer, we will follow the official documentation of Laravel. Now we will copy this command and rename it Laravel app. Hit enter. It will take time. It depends on your internet speed. So you can see we have successfully installed Laravel on your system. Now open your text editor. I am using Sublime Text. You can use Sublime Text or Visual Studio Code. Now open the project which we have already installed. Now you can see this is the first Laravel project which we have successfully installed in our systems. Now let us check localhost / your project name. You can see we have successfully installed Laravel. So let us start install the Laravel with second method. This is the install Laravel with Composer globally. We will use this command only first time to install the Laravel globally. Copy this command and hit enter. It will take time. It depends on your internet speed. Now you can see we have successfully installed Laravel globally. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment box. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.